When should I choose for slow motion for slow motion ฉันขอใจแรงที่กลงก็ได้สำหรับเขาสั่งลงมาฉันจะลงท้ายจะลงมาฉันจะลงฉันมองว่าฉันขอเลือกเล่นตัวไหนสำหรับอาจารย์และลงมาฉันสำหรับอาจารย์และลงมาฉัน
Join us, come along for the ride. It'll be nice and slow ride. Take it easy.
Under the golden sun, as waves softly play, the motor hums its tune, and today is a work day. Slow motorcycles, la la la, get funky. I said, slow motorbikes. I said, slow motor scooters hit the beams. Dag, 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 daggity, Dagwood. He knows what I mean. Sand clings to the tires, slow motion whispers past, riding onto wheels, making memories last. Cha cha cha, ain't it funky now? Through the salty air, past the shore, bikers carry even more. Cha cha cha, ain't it funky now? Through the salty air, past the shore, bikers carry even more. Slow motorcycles, la la la, get funky. I said, slow motorbikes. I said, slow motor scooters hit the beam. Dag, 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 daggity, Dagwood. He knows what I mean. From the market stalls to the fishing boats, carry every single thing but goats.
To the riders on those endless shores, carrying their life and even more. Every fart on every ride makes no sense to hide.
All right, I'm gonna go by the intersection here. Let's get some other good slow motion here. Water's always good, right? Waves. Sun's getting ready to set, so let's switch really quick to the 35 millimeter, which the Canon RF 35 millimeter happens to be a 1.8, so it's a good time to switch. The 16 I think is a 2.8. I'll put it below whatever it is, but let's swap this lens out and put something maybe a little more appropriate. Not as good as a telephoto, but surely better than the 16 millimeter, right? Let's swap this 16 millimeter 2.8 to a 35 millimeter 1.8.
Under the golden sun as waves softly play. No motor hums its tune, and today is a work day. Slow motorcycles, la la la, get funky.
My idea was to film at the beach and get this awesome background, but there's just not as many motorcycles here, so I want to go to a different location.
Hanoi, 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 Hanoi. In your pants you will find the proof. In your pants you will find the truth. So I went to the alley seeking the truth. The hobos told me, in your pants you will find the proof. In your pants you will find the truth. In your pants you will find the truth. In your pants you will find the truth. In your pants you will find the truth.
When all is said and done, the 24 to 240 millimeter lens takes the top spot for its flexibility and practicality, especially if you're in like dynamic shooting environments. But depending on your creative vision, maybe the 35 or 16 will strike your fancy, depending on what you're looking for. But what do you think? What lens would you pick with a Canon camera for slow motion? Let me know in the comments.
The man has got it down. It's free to subscribe. So subscribe. Oh yes, it's free to subscribe. So subscribe. La la la.